Stammer? Stammer! Today is Friday. One of the busiest days for your wholesale, and Stammer don't pack enough rice. And on top of that, everybody late this morning. Stammer! Stammer!
Morning, Mr. Delbert.
You are late.
So you couldn't say morning, sir? After no made you sleep last night.
Don't trust your luck. And don't let your imagination get the best of you. I am a big man. You could be my daughter.
Me? Your daughter? That would certainly look like Beauty and the Beast.
And nobody would have to wonder who the beast is. Look at you. 2 unwanted picnic and you don't 20 yet.
Sir, that's why I'm working. Oh, I carry my water from my yard.
Shut up. I am your superior. And stay right there. Because I am not sure you still have a job here with that attitude. Now where's that boy? Stammer!
Hear you, Mr. Delbert, sir.
You broke tick in your ears? And why you look like you're one line of the flower? Oh, so you're deaf now?
Sir, I don't like when people call him Stammer.
So you're there in the stammer?
When they call me by my real name.
Well, remind me, because I do remember it.
My name is Nkrumah.
And you expect me to remember that? Your mama is a wicked woman. You can't even call your own name and you expect me to call it.
My name. You must call me by my name.
I am your superior and I do what I please. We want rice on the shelves.
Flower. You can't ask Shebada.
You questioning me authority? Eh? And why you stand up there? You can't find something to do. Come out of my face. Go!
Good morning, Mr. Delbert. I'm ready for your mirror.
You know used to him by now.
When Puss gone, Rat take charge. Him soon drop down.
I heard that.
But you's not the boss. You's nothing but a basket.
The staff and their bickering.
Miss Alice, just say the word. Just give me the power, mama. Fire every last one of them.
Delbert, you can't lead by attrition.
But,
So all is well?
no.
No? What's wrong? Who is late? Absent? What?
Dolores, is who absent?
I don't know, you know. I was late. It's most Delbert, a pure news him carry. Who him wife take him?
Well, my love, every screw have them one screwdriver.
And every Tarzan him chain.
Shebada! Shebada! Get up! Get up!
Me want on mermaid! Me want on mermaid! Alice in Wonderland, now what me do you?
This is not a lodging.
Did I tell you I was looking somewhere to lodge, woman?
Sleeping on the job. A straight dismissal that.
You don't fret. Somebody soon dismiss you.
No, Shebada, this is really what I'm paying you for?
Miss Alice, don't tempt me. When my temper boil, it's not easy to go down in a woman.
See, Miss Alice, no respect. And I'm taking you for a fool.
Is you a take the woman for fool? Every time you chat to her, the woman feel like idiot.
No,
Cause
man.
fool print by your forehead.
No.
You know when me I left the place saying I can't stay so.
Shebada!
Don't call him Miss Alice. You have the handle full time you draw the blade.
Sometimes I want to take action.
So, Miss Alice, what's stopping you? Put your foot down, make an example out of that Shebada. Sleeping on the job, I'd have fire him right on the spot.
Shebada is just like his father, you know.
You know Shebada, father?
I sure do.
So, you never tell me that.
Delbert, not everything good for eat, good for talk.
I need something strong for calm my nerve.
Oh, where you get rain from, master?
Go ask your boss.
Then Miss Alice can't find rain?
Say, Granny, you know, so I know you dumb, but I never know so I say so dumb. It look like you're a dumb mama.
Miss Alice wet you up. Oh, where you do her?
You know what about that? You look like Miss Alice wants somebody to put her back in a wonderland.
What you mean?
Knock her out. Give me something for drink, I'm on the ice in it.
Mr. Shebada.
If you don't want me pulverize, you don't call me a mister.
So why you barking at me, sir?
Bark? Bark? Bark too good. I sorry I wasn't a pit bull.
Well, Miss Alice wants you, sir. And it seemed to be very important.
So, Shebada, what you do?
What you cross question me for? Give me something for drink.
Shebada, how much people Delbert make lose their work, you try to beg him pardon.
What kind of crime me do for you beg him pardon?
You really upset this man, but you can't say, I never want you.
Shit.
No matter which foul in here.
Are you my call?
So me turn foul now? You know that you stutter? I stammer that yet.
What happened, sweetie?
Sweetie, that look more so and dirty to me.
My name Nkrumah. Nkrumah Lesporis.
Jesus, what your name? No, not tell me again. Little mouse, you know, ban, you know. Your mama wicked. Oh God, look how your man beat himself for call it. That sound like a bad sickness doctor and have no cure for.
No worry about me. Miss Alice call you.
Tell Miss Alice, so come.
Make sure it me up.
Yeah, the joke of the day. Alice went up Shebada. All handicap a texted for me. Move from in front of me and go.
You can't say, me never tell you.
You see, I them something I say, Granny.
So, Shebada, what you going to do?
Me look like me a worry. I have my MBA.
What that mean?
Money buy anything, you can't stay there. What is? A price you want price me?
That's my special cocktail.
This tastes like the urine of a deranged feline. Go on, that one is on you.
Have a seat.
Miss Alice, let me explain to you.
Have a seat, Shebada.
Miss Alice, me deserve.
Shebada, have a seat.
Me nah, me nobody call me.
I said have a seat.
If you're gonna exit me, exit me. But don't sweep me up and then you drop me like a ripe breadfruit.
You're such a hot-blooded young man.
One for be cold-blooded, after me a reptile.
Young people nowadays have no patience, man.
Time now wait for nobody. Every man for themselves, Miss Alice.
Shebada, you have to work for what you want.
And with all due respect, me never come for the lecture.
Your mother asked me to give you this job, but you're behaving right now like you don't want the job.
My mother? Miss Alice, what do you know about my mother?
You don't worry about that, Shebada. She told me you're trying to send yourself back to school and you're going to need financial support.
Miss Alice is a IMF deal, me a look.
IMF? Shebada, you know you make me laugh.
You know, see nothing now go on. At the Jeep me did one go pan.
Jeep?
Miss Alice, but as me for start, it's like the Jeep broke down.
No, you're your father's own heart.
Yeah. First it was my mother, now my father. Miss Alice, where you up to? Who are you?
Certainly not Alice in Wonderland. Shebada, I'm here to help you.
This sounds serious. Are we after?
Like what?
You after something, Miss Alice?
Sound like I'm after something?
My body.
Shame on you. At my age?
You would be surprised how some fire stick just a wait for somebody to ignite them.
Shebada, my burner is seasoned.
So that means you want double D40.
Double D40. What happened this morning?
Mr. Delbert tell you. Yes, I was sleeping. Him never tell us that him locked me up inside yesterday last night.
What?
Yes, after I finished working, I went to the bathroom to prepare myself for the road. Cause you know after done working here, I cannot go on the road looking like them flower me. And it's not my birthday.
It's the second time Delbert doing this, you know. The last time did I tell you what happened?
May I listen?
The last two boys who were working here locked them up and they stole almost everything.
So is him habit.
Why? I don't know what I'm going to do to convince Delbert that him cannot live for himself alone. Christ. Oh. Oh, God.
Miss Alice? Jesus, Miss Alice. Jesus, please, nobody never dropped in front of me yet, you know. Miss Alice! Should I go? Or me for stay? Miss Alice! Get up now, man, and stop ramp with me. Get up! Jesus. Them say no for render evil for evil. Now wait up for wait up. Miss Alice. Miss Alice. No one Joan now, you know. Miss Alice. Thank God she not dead. Miss Alice, get up.
Where am I?
Certainly not in Wonderland.
Oh, God. What happened?
Me did that talk to you, but your legs them just give way so. Them in the same position as the Jamaica dollar. Unstable. About to slide anytime now.
I was talking to you and then...
No, we need to call a doctor.
No, I'm fine.
Miss Alice, you're not fine. Look at that. Your equilibrium is in collision with your cerebrum. We need to call the doctor now.
Shebada, I'm good.
You're not good, Miss Alice. Your legs them call wobbling. Oh, you're so stubborn, woman.
Call the ambulance.
What the number?
110.
No, Miss Alice. The songwriter say, someone please call 911.
Shebada, 11.
Miss Alice, let's talk in. 911.
No, and Miss Alice still out.
And leave her with a man you were stuck in a mental slavery.
Speak of the devil.
Stammer? Stammer!
Mr. Delbert, him not going to answer you, sir?
Well, like it or not, I don't have time to be calling him by his name.
But why, sir?
Because I don't like him name. And him Stammer. Moreover, I am in charge. And I calling him Stammer. Stammer!
Nkrumah,
Yes, Miss Alice.
you are needed. That's why me tell my children them to take in everything them getting at school, you know. Because they have some vibe in some workplace. And you see, I don't want to cut off nobody head for them.
You call me?
Hyacinth is your boss now.
Miss Alice, I'm my boss.
Alice now. Where is Miss Alice? You finished pat the fridge?
I eat me I do.
From the time you done pat the fridge yet?
But
Enough! Everybody lend me on your ears, please. When Delbert say everybody, Delbert mean everybody.
Shebada? Shebada?
Yes, Miss Hyacinth, my boss.
I think Buddy was in the cemetery.
For your information, Shebada, Miss Alice is sick, not here.
And your point is?
I am in charge.
You glad man, you overcharge and burn up.
Shebada, hold it down. This too will pass, you know.
Cigar in the cup.
Yes.
Meeting, please.
I'm serving a customer. I'm coming.
Well, over the past week, Alice has been sick. And I have been observing everybody. And I know where you all stand.
I'm glad me know for me stand up and my 2 foot them and my shoes now squeeze me.
Shebada.
You missed anything?
Bell ring but your
Miss
roll
Alice,
not
all
call.
right.
As I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted, I am in charge for the time Alice is out.
Surprise!
Shebada.
No! Make me blow a balloon and bust clappers and then him say me in charge.
Shebada, you know, I could just run out of this meeting right now.
So what stop you? After me not see no stoplight.
Shebada, easy.
No, mama, I can't play hypocrite like one, you know. You understand me? Because you have your landlord where you hide from. And fear man, they have jail. You understand me? You are handicapped.
Listen! Somebody has to show some sanity around here.
And you pass cook a long time.
Shebada, it's not every fly that pitch on you must fan off, you know.
Dolores, I could have buy you something for drink right now. Some people are really fly for you, you know.
Dolores!
It's just an expression, Mr. Delbert, sir. You is not a fly, sir.
You will not be on the cash register anymore.
But that is what Miss Alice employed me here to do, mainly.
Well, nothing cast in stone, ma'am.
But why, sir?
Look, Dolores! Don't question my authority. I said so. That is why.
You are the big dog.
Him not a big dog. Look on him that you allowed him back a chihuahua that. Right, I don't like his style.
Shebada, you see like how you can chat? Your duty is to mop the floor. Daily.
You lick your head, a liar.
Not yet.
So why we having a cabinet shuffle?
Because Delbert is Prime Minister.
He's over what for you.
The whole Jamaica.
Look on them, Anya. Look how them sexy. They make you a whole map.
Well, you can take it or left it.
When dish towel turn tablecloth, what a stress for the table. Your time a come.
Whoa, me.
Look, people, there is going to be some changes around here because I am in charge.
So, Mr. Delbert, I'm not going to be in the bar again.
Maybe not.
But a bar work me know for do. And that Miss Alice bring me here for.
This will not be business as usual.
Bonus here, 1 week, 1 single week since Miss Alice gone. And this man changed like green lizard.
Him don't change. Him stays a long time. That's why me and him can't agree.
So, Mr. Delbert, I need to continue to work the bar. Because me bring all the boys to the yard.
It's true as she bring all of the man them come here.
People, you all have choices.
Nobody not have no choice in here, so don't tell nobody no lie. It's your way or the highway, so nobody with it.
And it can't work.
No, it can't work. It cannot work. We need to protest. I'm glad I mean last quiet. I'm afraid I am.
This is still a meeting. And if you want to say something, you address me as the chair with respect. Go into the penny section. Nothing from you.
Alice is here! All right.
Alice, we're glad to see you, Mom. But we didn't know you want to get rid of all our way.
All right, don't get too excited now. I was sick. I was hoping everything would have been all right. But apparently, things are not good. I'll have to do an operation.
Oh no.
Yes, I'll have to go abroad to do an operation.
What do you?
Don't know how long I'll be out.
Don't worry, Miss Alice. I am here, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Yes, yes. The captain is here to sink the ship.
Now, my plan was to close the business.
Who's the business, Miss Alice?
And how long that, Miss Alice? I owe 3 months rent.
Go look, walk.
Shebada, come on, don't discourage the staff, man.
No, I'm not discouraging her. I'm not discouraging her. But what for do, Miss Alice? Platson and Stone Breeze till you come?
Unless we're going to get paid while the business locked down.
Sigani, that is pushing it a little bit too much. A little bit too much. That is pushing it too much.
And that would be financially imprudent.
Oh.
But I've spoken to my lawyer, gave him some instructions. He will keep the business open.
Yes!
I'm going to be leaving my nephew in charge.
Miss Alice, you're going to bring a new person to take over, man?
My nephew is a people person.
But I love people.
You can fool some people all the time, but you can't fool all the people all the time.
Delbert.
Let him go and get back over there.
All right. Delbert, now you've been working with us for quite some time now, but
But Miss Alice,
Allah, she said butt out.
it's my brother's outside child. My brother didn't pay much mind, but that's a story for another time.
We have time, Miss Alice.
He's been working with us for some time now.
oh, Miss Alice, Stammer?
My name is Nkrumah. Call me by my real name, sir.
Call him by name. Call him by name.
Miss Alice, you're an idiot, man. Stammer can't run this.
This is my business. My brother had his dream, didn't see the business grow. Now I'm going to be leaving his son in charge.
Oh Lord, that nice, man.
This is temporary, I will be back.
But Miss Alice.
Allah, she said she'll leave her nephew in charge. Nephew in charge. It's not too much, man.
Delbert, you've been contradicting me all my life in this business. I have now made up my mind. I'm going to be leaving Shebada in charge.
Kill boy deserve it. At least she'll leave when her family in charge.
Shebada.
And I'm escapable, not because him stammer.
Shebada, you are in charge.
You
Are you shut up?
You are in charge.
Oh, no, don't trick me out.
Shebada, you
she
are
said.
in charge.
Alice, me and your family?
You are my brother's son.
Jesus, deliver me.
God have mercy.
Delbert,
Delbert,
get up.
Get something to find.
No, it's not the time to
No.
faint. Get up. Wanna let him go now?
Delbert, is he all right?
Alright.
Delbert?
No, I get this.
Delbert?
I get this. I get this. I get this.
Do this.
Delbert, I'm in charge. Good afternoon. I've been calling for the longest while. Is this how you guys do business? I'm a businessman. I need 50 pounds of the refined cornmeal and flour. Yes, I said 50 pounds. No. It's not a mistake. 50 pounds. It's a wholesale I'm running. I need 50 pounds. Yes, and half-ton rice. Alice wholesale and joint. And if you have any soap, send me some. I don't know, but just send me. Thank you.
You hear the order Shebada giving out?
Boy, business really looking up.
Real.
How am they go?
Watch here. Delbert.
What if not sick? Where am I go?
I don't know.
Him come for watch and peep and carry news.
Why? Some people will never change.
A leopard never changes spot.
All when God has show them sign, them still can't see.
Oh, no, no.
Things couldn't be better.
Oh, no, no, Miss Alice.
Miss what? A Shebada in charge and a yes for nice.
Exactly.
Oh, things.
Why not stay home? You get leave and you still a come here.
I don't know how to be lazy, you know, Shebada.
It best to be lazy now. Go on home. Enkuma! Enkumoy! You finish yet?
Yes, for finish.
You must be tired. Take a break, man.
Respect, boss man.
Shebada! Me just here so them not pick up my daughter from school. Me can please get some time to go check and come back.
No, you're not supposed to ask that. Go on, hurry up. Go on now.
Thanks, me soon come back.
You giving them break? You're mad. You know, see you're broken them bad.
Mr. Delbert, the days of slavery long gone. And guess what? Is Shebada in charge? Alice Wholesale and Joints, this is Shebada speaking. How may I assist you? Aunt Alice?
Shebada, 2 weeks now since you take over this place to run. 2 weeks.
What a long time. You're acting as if I'm the Queen of England who sits on her throne and shows no sign of stepping down.
Well, at least she doing her work. But you get this place to run 2 weeks and this is how you're going to operate?
Excuse you?
This is not how we do business around here.
Mr. Delbert, I don't appreciate how you operate around here.
Yes, I am the sacrificial lamb. I am the fatted calf.
And if you were the fatted calf, Mr. Delbert, who would want your meat to eat?
Yes, Shebada, I know you always have a problem with me. Me, who is a stalwart in this place. I've read by all the rules.
What rule? You bang on the office door. You didn't even wait for me to say come in. You drag yourself inside.
What's wrong with that?
What if I was in my birthday suit?
Then now that know you have your rockers.
Delbert, I appreciate the fact that you don't want me running this business. But that is you. I have to respect that. You understand? When Aunt Alice was here, you didn't behave like that.
Aunt Alice?
Yes.
Aunt Alice?
Yes, Aunt Alice. Ebanya.
At least Miss Alice, Aunt Alice, used to lead. You look like you just want to follow.
So my authority's been questioned. Talk with it on your mind. Spit out everything now, Mr. Delbert, and mind you get strokes.
Shebada, you're allowing these people that work here to get away with murder.
I didn't know when Aunt Alice was leaving, she appointed me as prosecutor.
Why you always try to twist things to excite yourself, man?
And who care about how you excite yourself? Delbert, come straight. I work me, I work.
Imagine, boy telling me not to say anything to him because I am not in charge is Shebada.
Who?
You don't know?
Might be a me I call boy. Might be I call my boy behind my back.
Shebada, you need to help the people them. Oh!
Delbert have domestic problems. And choose Shebada in charge. every old house want tumble down upon me. You can imagine if I was running this country. Eh? Me that old before me young.
So you like the new work so far?
I really, you know, this new to my caliber, I really want to work with it. So tell me something. When do you sit here for?
Shake them up.
Eh? I'll tell you something. Shebada forget me a personal assistant. I told them I plan to do my nails and I see them there. They never none right now, you know.
Yeah, no, me can assist you.
Thanks, but no thanks. You have too much from you already. Me kill you.
So you think?
Why the young boy must second more than when you can manage?
Just say it. I can do it.
Let's pour us. Where you want you? How old you be?
Age is just a number.
You know you look smarter for mine, you know? Just like all of the young boy them.
Me not class by myself.
It shows. It's the way you look and the same thing when me I look. Yeah, me tell you? And the same thing me I look. And that's our money. The two of you work the same place. I'm sure some my pay more than your pay. So me tell you something. Look for my gold. You can't mind me?
You know, so you know, rate youth.
Look, me tell you something. All those come tumbling upon me.
So me all house now.
You ever realize that? But tell you something. You see, when a year a week's pay, can't even buy one of my wigs.
Don't put your trust in a vanity. It will let you down.
It's so nice, eh? You can sing. Like it. You know what you need? You need a manager.
Yeah.
What kind of manager you chat? You just come here and start chatting me? When you Latisha, what happened?
Latoya, Latisha.
The time you gossiping about me, make sure you can pay your bills.
And I realize that? Yes. Oh, sorry, look, I'm sorry, really, I don't know much in it. I can't raise it up.
Latisha, me look like the government. I am not the government.
Oh, Mr. Shebada, it's hard. What poor people do?
Stop by fall zero, that if I stop though. Budget yourself.
So what you want to do? Walk on and look like some old broke down ladder?
When last you see a ladder?
That's true. A long time, me been to a ladder.
And we don't understand this country don't have any money. And this is why we're not getting anywhere. Because everyone living above their needs. If we're not begging, we're borrowing. Good God, man. We could find somebody who will beg too much.
What must do?
And that's not a problem, too. Setting a priority straight. One, two, no. Every young man you see, if them not rub out them hand middle, them dep on a charity mission. Una too lazy. And speaking of lazy, Enko, man, how long you wipe the bar now?
Not long.
You see the same thing with me I say. You see the same thing, but just simple ask. A time me I talk about. Time! Time! 10, 15, 20, 40. What time? How much time? How long? I ask you a straightforward question for a straightforward answer. And you're speaking unknown tongues like it's the day of Pentecost. I want to meet everybody in the warehouse right now. Everybody.
Me too, sir?
It look like your wig has squeezed you. I said everybody in 5 minutes and don't keep me waiting. All member of staff are talking.
First me see him so pressured.
Look, I can have a hard day.
Nothing. Aunt Alice gone and not even a small briefing. She set me up to fail. Everything's so complicated. I don't even know when is the surgery, when she's coming back. Just have to swallow my pride and ask Delbert. He's here long before any of us. Oh God, he should know. He look like them over me. Who is it?
Delbert, may I enter?
This feel good. Who is it?
Delbert, may I enter?
As you please.
What happened? We're waiting on you.
For what?
No, you just call a meeting.
Oh, I totally forgot.
After all the huffing and puffing, Shebada, you forgot. Shebada, you're the manager, you know. You was in charge. And people time important too. Mind you not having brain issues like Miss Alice, you know.
No. My medulla oblongata allows me to adapt to anything.
Your medulla, your medulla?
You have it too.
No, I can't have that. I don't even know which language that.
Delbert, it's a part of your brain that allows you to adapt to any situation.
I never reached that far in school, so I can't have that.
Mr. Delbert, you know Aunt Alice keep account ledgers, client dossier, and any associated business affiliates information. Mr. Delbert, you hear me?
No, I don't know.
You don't understand what I'm saying.
Not one word.
I just need to locate the books and information and I'll be okay.
And you're asking me?
Yes, because you're here from inception.
In what?
From the beginning.
And I will be here till the end. Do not forget that.
And if you did know, you wouldn't tell me.
Shebada, it's you, Miss Alice, in charge.
Every cave of them dopey. And Delbert is the dopey of this cave. But me, I gonna make him know, say, me, Shebada, a dopey conqueror.
Where are you going, Natisha?
One of there, Delbert.
Everything alright?
Hey, you know you see Shebada having a meeting.
Listen me now, Shebada is the least of my problems right now. What I worried about is how they're going to pay me off for the years of service I get to this place.
What do you mean by that, Delbert?
Sell me a drink.
You come like you don't hear Shebada say no drinking on the job.
Shebada and him stupid rule.
Hold
them.
on. But it's him in charge. And if even it's her puppy in charge, respect the puppy.
Why?
Cause him will bite ya.
Shebada don't even know a head from into.
Delbert, you know Shebada stay. And I don't want to lose my work. Cause I just start work here. Alright?
So what's so new about that?
What do you mean?
Listen me now. You need to stop by all them false here and false nail and false paint for paint your false face. Make you must paint up yourself, some missus.
Come on, look like a coloring book.
You're right. Because you're certainly not a pretty woman.
Oh, look who he's talking. Look he's talking, Delbert. I hear them use and make ugly mold. I hear them say ugly. So even if me want buy false here and false nail and false paint up myself, look here, don't draw me out.
So you're coming to tell me now that I am not a handsome man?
Don't draw me out, Delbert. St. Paul say every man to him own order. So even if me want to use my money and buy ear and nails and paint, you better me use it and do that than use my money and walk over upon people and try keep them down.
So you're upset with me now?
You know, must. Everybody know what me used to do before me come here. Them a money when me a work, so a monkey money to when me use to draw down.
Hey, I mean, I know who tell them to give monkey money for buy beauty. By the way, where you used to live before you come here? Tell me.
I was a valuable member of the world's oldest profession. What?
What a way you're proud.
Anything to sustain me and my people them, me proud of that.
You know what? You serve me the beer because you might soon have to go back to the world's oldest profession.
Something you know about me, Delbert? Or stories you're making up?
Latisha, Delbert look like any storyteller to you?
Me no see no sign say this a place a lockdown soon. Shebada doing him thing, so allow him make him do him thing.
Where? Is me him asking for help him?
Oh, it sound like you have bad mind, so.
I don't care one iota what anybody want to say. Miss Alice, him auntie left him in charge, make him stay in charge. As you say, him doing him thing. And we will all see. All I know, Miss Alice make a big mistake when she left Shebada in charge of this place.
Oh, so you should leave in charge.
Who else? You know how long me there?
Told me, sum it up. Probably you incompetent.
You know what? I will leave this place before I say anything I might regret.
I need to ask Shebada is which white phone him yam for you?
Latisha, you soon get where cigar and cough get.
Me? Remember say you drop down and nearly pop your neck when you find out that Shebada in charge.
So all you just come here and mix up in that gossip too?
All me I try tell you say don't have a heart attack cause me not have no funeral clothes. How about you? Why do we have to make things so complicated?
This place is like a junkyard. No computer. Aunt Alice is like a dinosaur, just like Delbert. God, all him, no help. All him just walk around, concoct fables. Jesus. You can't hear the bad mind on the door. Come in.
No word from Miss Alice?
No, Judas.
Look, Shebada, don't you blame me for that elusive document of Alice Wholesale and Giant. You hear me?
And don't come in here with your hypocrite demeanor.
Oh, so me a hypocrite now?
If you come to stab me in the back, let me turn around, Delbert.
Look, Shebada, you is one person don't trust nobody, you know, man.
It is you who I don't trust, Delbert. You! And if anybody inside here is afraid to call you out, I am calling you out. God don't like ugly, and Delbert, you're ugly.
So why you blaming me for what I don't know, eh? Why?
If Miss Alice did leave you in charge, you know to find everything. But because you're not, 10 chances to 1 is you I them.
Everything went wrong, I see. Blame Shark.
I thought you were a shark, Delbert. But you're a killer whale. And you swallow me like Jonah.
What you want from me, Shebada? What?
The list of debtors and creditors. And don't raise a voice at me. I am not your child. I'm your boss.
Find them yourself, boss. And you in charge.
Delbert, don't worry. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to lock it down.
You don't have the right.
Try me.
Look, Miss Alice soon come. And if you want to go, go. I will oversee things until she get back.
You're a real crab in a barrel.
You want to close down the woman business because you can't manage. But I say no. Miss Alice soon come and I will look over things until she get here.
If you were capable enough, why Aunt Alice never leave you in charge? Why she leave me? Something not right, Delbert. What is it? Save it. It is me who is in charge.
You want me to answer that?
Touch it. If you're bad. If you're something like a Jurassic Park. Hello?
Hello, hi, Shebada.
Aunt Alice? Oh, Aunt Alice, what are you doing?
Oh, Shebada, all kinds of complications, darling.
Let me talk to her.
Get away. No, not you, Aunt Alice, not you. How is the surgery?
I'm wondering what is keeping them. Maybe I should have stayed in Jamaica, you know.
That is your problem. You're just like the politician. As your head hurts you, you're gone to a hospital overseas.
Shebada, I don't have much time now, darling. But I'll be communicating with you from time to time, alright?
Aunt Alice, could I get a contact number for you? Yes, Aunt Alice.
Shebada, don't worry about that. Now I'm sending someone to see you.
Oh.
Yes? He will tell you where we go from here, darling.
Yes, but Aunt Alice, I want to talk to you about... How? And I don't even get a bit wiser.
I did want to talk to Miss Alice, you know, man. Sure.
Surprisingly, she didn't ask for you.
So what she say? What she say?
Well, it seems as if you're going to get your wish.
She say if I close it down?
That is what you wish for.
What she say? She tell if I close down the place?
She said somebody coming to talk to me.
Backfoot. It look like Alice Wholesale and Giant going to be a thing of the past.
Hello? Yeah, Boo is speaking. Cranky, why you calling me from another number? I'm going down by the shop. And why you think is the wholesale me going? Well, I'm going down by the shop, I soon come back. Just chill. Later.
Go. Morning.
Good day. Morning gone long time. And listen, me now. It's the last time you're going to come in at this hours. You hear me? Come out of my face, man.
Good morning.
Somehow this place don't feel like a workplace anymore.
You must know why.
Morning.
Hey, what wrong with you this morning?
Me good man.
Good? And you look like you dip your face in a lime juice?
That is funny.
What's so funny about that? Hyacinth, I'd have really asked what the problem. But foul doing business in a cockroach fight.
Cockroach fight, Mr. Delbert. You're calling Hyacinth a cockroach.
But yeah, you know, see, art no leave.
Something wrong a yard. Sound like man problems.
Wait, Delbert. Brexit right there so for me. Make me tell you something. It's me one sleep.
I sure I never mentioned the word sleep in my statement.
What can I get you gentlemen to drink?
All I want is you.
Mix me a man's drink.
Coming up.
You know, Latisha,
Yeah?
new management did a good job in selecting you for this place, you know.
Select. Make it sound like one of them old-time jokebox. I got this job based on my qualification.
She have style for true.
You can go on, sir.
You take this thing for a joke, Latisha. I was only anxious to see who would replace Sigani.
That me set up. This replacement seems like a good one.
Tell that to management. I want a big raise.
You bring plenty profit to this business. You should get good pay.
Sometimes, but just put the best foot forward.
Well, all I know is the best selection. Don't it, Timmy?
Sell off, me youth. Sell off.
Yeah.
It appears not really a big deal. But I just put in the best forward.
Yeah. Yeah. You will get a raise.
Latisha, this have a raise as much as it's sound unreasonable.
So what reason you have to say that, sir?
You have to stop spending money for your ear, your nails, and clothes.
What that make the client them come inside, sir?
And look at your face. Eh?
You have to look good, sir, what do you? If that bring the customers and the clients inside here.
Just make sure you stick to your job description if you know what I mean.
You didn't want to talk to me. What do you want to talk to me about, sir?
Then wait, me can't come in here again. Me no work here. I check up on you.
That's why I love you so. Are you speak your mind?
Look here, stop playing hypocrite. You know you're not due for a raise. When I have no money, things slow. I remember last night, the stock shot one beer.
Hi, nice lady. How may I assist you?
I'm here to purchase a few things.
Good. Hand over your list. Dolores!
No, more the dark youth for serve me.
Oh, so it's end room what you want?
The few times I come up here, I never hear him talk.
It ever occurred to you them don't want to talk to you?
Oh, you so sure. Dark youth! Dark youth! Dark youth! Come serve me now.
Focus!
You see, Pickney? Sometimes I wonder why we even bother with them.
Is your son Miss Hyacinth?
Exactly. And God knows me tired of it.
Him young. Let me get over it.
When it's too late, Dolores, him only leave the little ugly dry foot no ambition girl way down the road.
Later. And tongue.
You pay for them then?
I was just about to do it. It's all you so quick.
And where you think you come, little girl?
She have the young boy head. Him turn fool.
It's the next time when you come here, so just realize it's a business you are running a welfare. And it's my fault you have 100 children.
It was just a mistake.
What your name?
Booby.
So, Booby alone will pay your birth paper, yeah? Your mother never there, I think. Nkuma! Nkuma!
Yes, boss.
You see, idle brain is the devil's workshop. Let me tell you this. You don't work in this warehouse. You work in the next warehouse. You're a cashier. Where are the around you, so? Eh? What's she name?
Booby.
Right. When you hear about booby, what you think about after? Booby trap. Get to work. Come on, give Aunt Alice things them. Eh? You think I pick the woman pick up her things them? And you cashier is the next one too. Come in and understand how you make Nkuma go with the things them. Eh? You can't better show someone to tell the things them can't go in the yard.
Miss Alice runs a tight and secure business.
So that is why she lock up everything tight like sardine.
The time wasn't available to enlighten you on certain crucial affairs.
Lawyer Kibby?
Yes, sir.
It's like a walk into the valley of the shadow of death.
You'll be okay, man. You seem like a very intelligent and assertive person. I picked that up the moment I arrived.
This place is like a barren land.
Why you say that?
2 weeks on the job, no information about debtors and creditors. How Miss Alice expect the business to operate? On autopilot?
I know, and that we're about to change.
She just dashed me in the middle of the sea for shark near me.
So, Delbert never...
Hello, him a the shark.
You sure?
That man is like the devil half brother.
Oh my. Alright, Shebada. You just sign right here. Okay, good. Great. The bank is expecting you. You can go in tomorrow and put your signature on your account. So you'll be able to draw your own check.
Now I feel like a manager.
You'll be able to sleep better at nights.
This place is like a junkyard. Sometimes I feel like I'm dealing with scrap metal. Corrosive junk. Lord, destined to recycle.
Well, I'll be on my way.
Nice doing business with you. It's a great visit. Thanks. Hello, how may I assist?
Shebada!
Aunt Alice?
I was wondering if you saw Lawyer Kibby.
Yes, he came by today.
And I'm wondering if everything is now all right.
As far as I know.
Great. I was just wondering, okay? I'll call again later. Bye-bye.
You stay the wonder. You started to sound like Alice in Wonderland. I, Shebada, is management here. And I will leave no stone unturned until I fulfill my mandate. Bet is Delbert calling up my name. I'm going to show them that I am capable and I can get this business underground.
May I help you, sir?
Yeah. I beg a work, you know.
Excuse you? Then it's so you come about looking at work? Furthermore, I can't hire nobody. I am a worker myself.
So what? The boss not there. I can't talk to the big man.
Hello, sir. What seems to be the problem?
Me I look at work in the boss, man.
We don't have any vacancies, sir.
Yo, me can't do anything in the boss.
That's exactly the problem. We don't want anybody that do anything. We have specific things in here that specific people do specifically.
We can't lift box and we can't pack shelf in a sir.
Sir, we need you to leave the place.
Really desperate in the boss.
And I desperately need you to left the place.
So what you say? We can left an application then.
Do that then, do that.
Alright, cool. I hope so when I come back you have something for me. I say she make sure so she there. Baby.
Happy sure.
Hello, is this the bank? Good. I'm seeing a statement here for Alice Wholesale and Joint for $2,420,000. How much account the business have? Okay. Okay. Thanks. So one business have over 8 accounts? This is better than the lottery.
So, Miss Hyacinth, everything all right at home?
But come to think of it, a long time I hear you say nothing about your son of late.
And I notice your face not so sour off lately.
I tell you, see, Dolores, it is not easy to manage these young people these days, you know. They want to do their own things. Plus, you know, all the distractions where distract them from gaining them education. But you know what? I give thanks that I beat it in them heads every day, you know. That life is not as easy as how it looks. Worse if you're poor and you don't have a good education.
My two pity them. Every day I regret having them.
You know, when parents talk, children just don't listen.
And Dolores, that is my fear.
Fear what I said? Eh? All the boy have to do is bring picnic come, you have to mind it.
Have to mind which picnic, Delbert? Have to mind which one of the picnic. God bless when me make ya. And it's 3 of them I have. Me one. He would have to go look work.
Some of these young boys need to try and suppress their urges.
And some of the little young girl, them too hot too.
Delbert, them have feelings. Don't get me wrong. But some of us as parents, we need to know what we children them doing. And not only the girls.
So right.
That's for shopping at Alice Wholesale and Joint.
Okay, thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day.
You're welcome. You too. Red blows. A long time I stand up here, so now I'm going in here, so. Deal with that for me, cause. Look here, a long time my phone in my order. Beg you some serve for me, no, please.
So wait your turn.
Look here, no beg me, I beg nobody, no, you know. So my money there.
What the girl doing?
Hey, the customer is always right, even when they're wrong.
1,400, man. Look here, it's not so much him tell me.
1,400. You just put 200 on it.
We don't have so much, you know. So what you laugh about?
Yeah, I so.
Here you go. Have a nice day.
Stammer! Stammer!
Shebada, remember I don't like when people call him that.
Me not talk to you. Go back, go cash. Stammer!
Him don't like when people call him stammer.
So what if I call him stutter? You think about the answer?
You're taking a joke a bit too far now, Shebada.
No, but in a real life still. God, no, we could have really, you know how long me I look for him?
I don't have any luck, sir. I'm not saying a word.
How him get involved? How manager get involved in a work argument? Mr. Delbert, we must feel like the world is against you.
Mountain I have it for say, me mix up, and me a news carrier.
So Mr. Delbert, tell me the truth regarding love. People attack say you're a news carrier. If you carry news, you're a news carrier. You know how much time Alice tell me say you call my name to her.
You know, that's why when anything go wrong in here, me, Delbert, don't have nothing to say.
See and blind, hear and deaf.
And very soon, we will all be literally blind and deaf.
Me not like that. Me not like that. Because when you're blind and deaf, anything you get, you have to take. But in a real life, why Delbert a carry belly for me?
Me the carry belly?
You carry belly more than 9 months now, Delbert, and me I carry all of the symptoms.
You know, I wholly me Delbert enduring here, you know.
And that is a story for another day. But in a real life, where Nkuma there? Nkuma!
Me don't see him.
Him gone buy lunch.
So long? How him gonna buy so?
I tell you, me know you know. Give them room, then take veranda, and very soon all bedroom too.
So you know where Nkuma there, Delbert?
My lips are sealed.
No man, you carry news regular, so tell me. Because from a coming here, just a blap your mouth and about not talk.
Exactly.
Good word says, seek and you shall find.
What we must say about seek and find? Then when no man when I call the police, Nkrumah lost. Grab 2 candles, make we go look for him. Like we go on crab out.
Alright.
Easy. You need to behave yourself.
But him chat too much, man. What chat to you? You know we don't like him.
That's
You're thirsty, man. Booby, who you live with?
My mother.
Come look for you.
You see, my mother, she not really like when whole heap of people come down there. She quarrel.
So you can come on my place then.
Well, maybe, but me not making any promises.
Well, need to get close, man. No, 2 weeks now we attack.
2 weeks is a short time in Nkrumah. Plus, I don't want to rush anything. But if you can prove to me say you care, I will certainly be there.
Booby, well, where you want me to do for you?
You see, my phone not working. You can buy me a BlackBerry?
Nkrumah last Boris. Yeah, what money for buy BlackBerry?
Nkrumah, you don't think I deserve a BlackBerry?
We can talk about it later.
But when me go and see you later? Remember, my mother don't like when me stay out too late.
Don't worry. You're so safe with me now.
Mr. Lover.
Look more like Mr. Bombastic to me.
Ain't come how long me ask you for do something?
Boss, the pan lunch, sir.
For 2.5 hours they on lunch? How will you eat, sir?
It's alright. I don't want you to get into any trouble. So me leaving.
Miss Lady, ain't come my own big man here. If you know me mean.
What that means, sir?
Monkey always look somewhere for put him tail before he buy trousers. Be careful of what you do. You're needed!
Boss, you can let me alone?
Loan? Who teach you that big word there? Oh, Booby. No, a she teacher. I want him to tell you you're gonna get trapped.
Look like him take up when can manage.
Excuse me. Dolores, I want you to build these things for me, alright? And let me know as soon as you're finished. Ever since Miss Alice gone to America to do her search, it's pure slapless take precedence in this place.
It's news, him ready for carry, you know.
Yes. Sick the poor woman.
From what I hear, him don't have no contact number for Miss Alice.
What I say? And Kuma really need to settle, you know. Him don't even know nothing about the girl. And him still carry her come here. All him know is that she name Bobby.
That is if I saw she name. All them little young girl that do it nowadays is just walk and can man.
Exactly. I don't remember and I work in here a good while now. So it's only here them can come?
Oh, you know them not having some sacred rendezvous.
From what I hear, it's pure later she tell him. And it look like later not coming.
Dolores, some people have to get burned before them can feel. You see, that is why I want in my son. Anybody where you see just throw themselves upon you, so something wrong.
Beautiful. Want to make me want cry. Mr. Lover, serve her. You're right, because we don't take pennies inside here.
I can't leave because your boss come and him don't like me.
Miss, it's not 8 or 8, yo. But I see what you're up to. Mama, there's a Christian, you know, when we see evil, we know them. We know Duppy. And the last time I want you, who can't hear or feel? You hear me, I tell you? Oh.
Shebada, this can't go on much longer. You need to put your foot down.
Mr. Delbert, you're mature. Him young, he need counseling. When you see me I talk to him, just stay out. It's not rice and flour we are talking.
Counseling? The boy needs to go in yard.
Jesus, I tell you every day, Delbert, you cannot lead by attrition.
You go and sorry for them, you hear? Go and sorry for them.
What wrong with you, Delbert? Everything where body you want discard it, you want terminate it, you want dash it away. What wrong with you? Every bad things have its purpose. Look at spoiled milk, it can make cheese. Why sometimes I wonder how you sleep at nights? Jesus, the evil stand up in you.
Yeah.
I need my church. And Kuma, I know you have your illness, but not make people draw you out your son. Me feel look out for him.
2,700.
Okay. Here you go.
Thank you. Thank you for shopping at Alice Wholesale. Enjoy it. Have a lovely day.
Thanks.
Come on.
Enjoy your day also.
What happened, Dolores?
Well,
Give me a buckle of vodka, the same one I buy with you.
12.50 for it.
So when it raise?
Listen to me, it raise no matter when.
So when it raise up something so far?
Look here, I'm not the boss. Talk to the big boss in there.
When raise up something so far?
Listen, mister, you want the vodka or not?
You know what? Me I go somewhere else.
Good riddance. I want the bartender down here say, "But pick your pocket."
Delbert, sir.
6 kilo sugar, 3 bottle water, 5 kilo flour, 1 tin mixed vegetable. I tell you the lime juice already? Alright, 1 bottle lime juice, a small one. 3 kilo cornmeal and 3 tin mackerel.
Large or small?
Small one. You good with that? You want me to tell you go with it again?
No, man, it's alright.
Nkuma! 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 Me no want to shout, you know. Nkuma! So them, hey, the people me I work with are different set of people, them, you know. Them hear me I call Nkuma, none of them not acknowledge me, me is in charge. Nkuma! Then wait, una there, una acknowledge me. Una hear me I call Nkuma. I have seen for Nkuma there.
I don't know.
Then una work on non-nosh for Nkuma there.
He must have gone for lunch.
Lunch? Which part? What attitude with you? You think I me make your landlord around you down? And why all of a sudden Nkuma take lunch outside? When I just come in, Nkuma used to eat inside, you know? And all of a sudden him change him location. Why?
You ever stop to consider that maybe it's not a why but a who?
What you say? You have all of them information and I hide it from me?
Mr. Man, these young people nowadays have no form of respect for authority. But I do business when nobody wants to say. If it was up to me, that Nkrumah don't find inside here.
What's the rationale behind that statement? Did I not say he's entitled to his lunch break? Yes. Did I say anything about him breaching a contract or rules to what time he should have lunch and where? Huh? Leave the man alone. Think we better chat to him. Alice, wholesale and joint? How may I assist you?
Hello, Shebada.
Aunt Alice?
Hey, Shebby.
How you doing? Aunt Alice, how things coming on with you and the surgery? Any update?
Oh, still waiting for confirmation date. But it seemed to be sooner now than later. Well, so it appears.
I was here wondering about you, Aunt Alice.
Really? That is strange because I was here wondering how you getting on down there.
Magnificently, Aunt Alice. Nothing to worry about. I have taken the business from Jurassic Park era into modern technology.
Sound like you have your hands full, man.
Yes, it is not easy to carry dinosaurs. They can be very heavy at times. So what I did, Aunt Alice, I've created some files and folders to make the business more easy and efficient.
Folders? That means you're going to need a lot of folder leaves.
Aunt Alice, you make me laugh. You know nothing about computer. You remind me of a certain attorney general in a certain commission of inquiry. She said she knows nothing about computer. It was a big thing on TV, Aunt Alice.
I don't remember. Who was that?
Aunt Alice, you don't remember?
No.
Well, if you don't remember, I can't recall.
And crew must last for us. You're very cool, what they're saying.
La teacher, just school, man.
So you did buy the blackberry?
We're working on it.
If you try, make me get it, you know.
Well, look how much the things me get here.
Well, that's true, but me need the BlackBerry so that we can BB, WhatsApp.
Oh, for Facebook.
Yeah.
Boo, stop now. Tisha,
Bad one.
come on, play.
21.
Bad girl.
21.
Yeah, 21.
John won't start.
Oh.
Virgin, me get the rape this morning. Now come up the road and I see 2 girls a fight start.
So give me some of the winnings, not tell me.
Me no bite.
So boys, give me some of the winnings then, no?
You know, say a 12, my boy.
You see right now, I want some extra money. Cause my landlord livid.
Every bartender me know have a rent problem.
Well, that t-shirt here look pretty to the door.
Thank you.
Pay your rent and leave the falls here.
A human ear my having today.
What an year one.
Since when you buy things when I feel? You can't even chat to me because you can't afford me. Tell us something.
That's why me now go your way. You know?
Everybody knows when you come down here, it's not just one drink you come down here, fam.
Yes, Latisha, everybody know you is a perfect hostess. Wigs and all, eh?
Thank you.
Look, we only have 1 hour for lunch, you know.
What does that have to do with me?
And as it quint, it done. So serve him, I could go on.
What you want, the usual?
All I want is 1 drink right now. I don't know the thing set up, you know. Because we left on a job and I can't overdo it.
Stop. Yo, Timmy. Timmy, come in, man. Timmy. Camille.
Camille? Well on. Where your nephew girlfriend is? Where she so far?
Camille. What are you doing down here?
His visit me visiting.
Well, visiting hours done. I want to see the little bit boy up there.
Boys, you sure you know that girl, eh?
I want to, man.
Booby. I chew him attack.
What you call her?
Booby.
Booby. That's why she take you for boo.
So booby, I know booby, your name booby.
Answer the man. That Camille she name. That she and my nephew them call Lepo. Live together.
What?
Them have a 8 months old son.
Booby, I chew him attack.
See Timmy, allow me to tell Timmy.
Serious thing. Sit down. No, calm yourself, yo. Relax, man.
Look him stammer, you know say stammer people. Look here, just try to hold him for me, I beg you.
Bro, get yourself in trouble, man.
Come here. You know say this thing don't look good. You have a 8 months old baby, you know.
I'm gonna tell Lipo.
If me ever tell you, Paul, you better reach home to your picnic in a record time.
How them young girls are so gullible? Hey, you know much demand she put on for her Nkrumah? One day she come down here, you know, and nearly drink off the bar, you know. Every day she come down for her lunch money.
Then young man, how long you know Camille for? Me mean booby. About 2 months. 2 months? And you behave like saying you're not married? Eh? You know some deserve a reward for this. But I'm for first love.
I told me to warn you.
Wait, what is happening? What is happening? Business is on lockdown. What's the problem? Why everybody looks so sulky?
She hurt him feelings, Shebada.
And Kuma can't find him penny. I feel it.
You have whole heap more forget. But do make it affect your work. You see, when you go home, you can't worry about this kind of thing. But this is work, Nkrumah. Hurt my feelings. She take me for a fool.
No blame her and no beat up yourself. Learn the melody of the song before you start singing it.
And then Nkrumah, don't leap before you look.
Quite right.
That is why I telling my son, don't rush nothing.
I talk to him, but now him taste the bitter medicine, so him gain a lot of experience. This one to Nkrumah again. Pack out the flower them. Cause of this you're sure. Booby left Nkrumah.
Letitia, you have your hand full, man.
Look, man. You see, these times I wish I was an octopus.
Why, Letitia?
So that I could have served 6 customers at a time.
Bartender, give me one for the road.
Me come in.
So, Letitia, you're really going to serve him again?
Aye. Liquor is him comforter. You know, see him in the spirit.
Bartender.
Ugly man, you can't wait.
What you call him, Letitia? Ugly man?
You know, see, say, the way the liquor twists him face, it backs him quite nicely.
Come here, Bill.
Thanks. Boy, I can't wait. I can't wait. Come hold this. $500.
I ever owe you yet, woman?
Delbert, cash on delivery.
Bartender, me say if I ever owe you yet. Bartender.
What is your problem, ugly man?
Me say if me ever owe you yet.
He was as drunk as a fish.
Thanks. You know, she say, man, them waters. Dolores. Where's Trevor?
No.
We have to get this out of the way before Shebada comes.
Shebada never gone home.
Shebada getting stricter and stricter every day. And my PM should have do something about. You don't understand this thing at all.
Put this little lady.
Trevor, it's over. Oh, no, we're expecting you, you know.
Yo, it won't know my business. In my line of work, so much to do, so little time.
Some girl have your time down there.
Exactly.
There's enough for me for everybody. You want some of me?
2 more, right?
It don't matter. It's up to you now. The more the merrier.
No, Trevor. It's just that we don't want to join the suspicions.
Wow. Don't move them, let them stay. Business bright this evening, man. Huh? You alone about all that 2 bottles? Away I keep party. Letitia, you make him know it's a retail.
Yes, sir.
How this brother pay my business?
When you start manage business in my business, it automatically become my business.
Yo, move yourself with a punk here.
Punk like you if you're a Cisco.
Yo. Who you?
The fret at me.
Boss.
Yes.
Not tell him nothing.
So Alice there.
Alice in a Wonderland go find her.
Yo, yeah, me. Girls, me a step here.
Him pay for them there?
You see me pay for them earlier, sir.
I hope him pay for them there. Else they come out of the town to pay.
I hope him pay no, cause me no get none free. Yeah.
Dolores, what you wait on Latisha's assistant? Make sure when you present your bills, Latisha can pay them because Latisha not pay bills. I mean, notice every evening after work, you eat up in the bar. And then this man appear. Something looks strange.
Nothing wrong with that.
Nothing wrong with that. I'm glad for the extra business. But it seems to me that the man buy more than just liquor. Dolores, may I tell you this? It's 2 kids they have. Baby now where? May I warn you?
Two more.
That make 4.
4,000 outstanding now, right?
More or less. You come like for your new boss, I just know. I'm watching like a hawk.
You know, by the time you find out, everything will be back to normal.
No one said, man. Me have no luck. Anyway, ladies, duty call. Gotta go. Alice, what's it?
I hope say it work out, you know, Letitia.
Ah, boy, I'll tell you. I'll tell you something, man. Is it Trevor? Trevor's an area leader, a promoter, and a producer. So there's a monkey money to him, you know.
I hope that Shebada no find out. That's all.
What you worry about, my girl? A woman we name. We have to stay 1 step ahead of the game. What are you? You know, say how much woman run the country.
True, you know. Cheers to riches.
Shebada, tell me something. You notice anything?
Me always notice things, huh? All when me asleep, me I notice things. Cause me sleep with my eye them wide open.
So what you want to say, you're protected?
What you mean? No weapon that form against me shall prosper. No tongue that rise against me, judgment shall stand.
That is a verse in the Bible, do you know?
Of course.
It's what take Nkrumah fleet.
Shebada, you don't notice that Nkrumah change?
How? Him face still tough. Him eye them big and him head dry like Usain Bolt.
Shebada, I don't know. But all I know is him have a new attitude.
Then that me trying to tell you, Shebada. Stammer find something.
Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that you're going down back Heartbreak Hotel. Look what Bobby did to you.
Boobylicious.
Look what Bobby did to you. You know, hear me?
No, heartbreak, sir. No heartbreak. I walking down Glory Avenue.
Which avenue?
Hallelujah.
Glory Avenue.
So what you find on Glory Avenue?
Jesus.
Who?
Jesus, boss.
Which part him same find Jesus?
Pan the Glory Avenue, Shebada, you know, listen. No most church, where else?
But then Nkrumah don't go church.
I know something was strange. For the past weeks, Stammer reach her before me every morning.
Stammer, talk the truth. You sure it's not your landlord you're hiding from where you come out early? If you rent back up on you, I will help you. You don't have to come here so early.
No. I am letting my light shine.
Wow. Help Mr. Delbert make film light shine too.
Oh, Stammer don't have to help me with nothing. I don't have my light already.
Just like Stammer, you need to make your light start shining.
All I am saying is, Stammer, make a good move. Because him start to report to work on time, unlike some others make him call name, and him drop the laziness.
May I invite you to church Sunday?
Well, any day me see Delbert in a church, that's the day I'm coming. Because it's that day the Lord is coming. He's coming soon.
Ed Kurma, you don't listen to nobody here. Your move is a good move.
Yes, Hyacinth. Only hope him can keep it up.
Only hope so too.
Shebada, I know Miss Alice not get the date for her surgery yet.
I hope she's not waiting in vain.
Which one must put this?
Run the county, I said I must go.
No. Put them in a storeroom, Nkrumah.
Yes, boss.
Aye, Nkrumah. From what you notice, you now look my way. I want my Nkrumah.
Letitia, what is your problem? Your way is the way to death, destruction, and utter damnation. Leave Nkrumah alone, him no one lost.
Aye, Shebada, even though me know me is no angel.
Aye, you fall into the clique of the fallen angels. Leave the man, him no want to lose him halo. Go on, yeah?
You know, it's the worst thing to make people know your business.
Everybody have them pass, go good or bad. But it's just for them, for work in relation to the future. That is what counts.
Is not flying you in Nkrumah?
Me, for find a way.
Find a way, which way?
The way where you laugh.
Let me tell you something. The only way me looking find out is a bail out me I look for with some money.
It's when you find that way, you ping me. Cover this.
Latisha.
What?
Me know one man. We can give you all the money you need. You just have to find him first.
Him? Let's send him come now. I want a bail out. So tell me something. Him come here sometime?
Yeah. Him come here all the while. You just have to accept him.
What a man! So tell me something. Who is this man?
Jesus.
Who?
Yeah, right. I am right for the word of the Lord.
You know your papi show? And the little girl with an inside our dear. Well, leave you. Make her behave, sir.
Which girl?
You don't remember?
Girl that.
You forget already? No, Nkrumah. You know I'm proud of you. Me only hope so you can keep it up.
Time longer than rope.
I say if you backslide, we're going to use a rope there and tie you.
Him and Valoise, if I can't remember, she's all kind, out of circulation. Letitia, you'd be non-composed mentist to believe that that girl could break anybody's heart.
I never knew he was inside here, sir.
Dolores, wherever tell you see me in a bar, you're frightened. Me know me look like Duppy, but it's modern time now. Duppy stop walk.
God no, me I tell you, say, them say coward man keep sound bone, you know, but fear bone go and crack up on the day. Every time you say Shebada, you get nervous.
Is that obvious?
Yes, Dolores. You have to keep calm. It's him I go find out.
Leaving.
And come on. You rearrange the storeroom?
Yes, boss.
What about the 12 boxes of saltfish?
Done.
12 boxes? You deserve a medal.
I can go now, boss.
Yeah, man. Remember me in your prayers.
God is good.
All the time.
Go good.
What
only hope him keep it up.
And can you imagine Shebada what you talk about him deserve a medal? He getting paid for doing work already.
But Delbert, I don't think Shebada means literal medal. Furthermore, encouragement sweeten labor.
So who encouraging me? Who's sweetening my labor?
Hello, you're sweetening and make you too sweeten your labor.
Tomorrow, everybody. Dolores, you coming?
No, I have to chat to Letitia a little.
What a way your Letitia get thick.
She teaching me the trade.
I wonder which one.
No worry yourself.
So I can pull on the shutter now?
Yeah, man. Me walking at the bar.
Alright, that means I will pull it down.
Yeah, man. I'll finish up the lodgement. And Mr. Delbert, remember first thing in the morning, you're doing the lodgements for me, okay?
No problem. We can get this done.
Letitia, Trevor not call yet?
No. I'm my weight pan. I have this one customer inside of my weight pan to lock up. So what, me never call you?
No, but me I call mom and I get through to him.
7 buckle we have outstanding now, right?
I know, but him never takes so long for pay up yet.
Yeah, that's true. Something must come up. Yo, them my money and monkey money to where Trevor used to, you know. And him say you didn't need the help, so him just help you out still.
Are you me worry about?
Oh man, Trevor would never this the program. What you worry about me for? A Shebada me worry about. Look here, Shebada must a deal. Sometimes him just come up with some things, you know. I not even know where them come from.
And you him find out. We go cook. Just pray so Trevor carry the thing come. Let me try and call him. Let me try and call him.
Yeah, man. Just the man I want to see.
How I need this?
There.
Yes.
Yo, something come up, man. Everything good there now.
Yeah.
You hold this. And I like some extra in the boat.
Yeah?
Yeah. Who knows the boss find out?
No, but that can help him rent, thanks.
So, you still at warrant?
Me soon come back. I'm gonna take care of something.
I mean, I'm still a warrant. Sure, I adding on me alone.
Yeah, joke, man. You're too stubborn. Look how long it must make my address be your address. If you know what I mean.
He's a wild man, and he's a very jealous man. What are you?
It's a voluptuous woman like you want, you know, for my agenda.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Which part from your agenda you want? Top or bottom?
Which part you want, job?
You see, if you have me on your agenda, me must be the only item on that.
Customer want serve.
See
you. We want it on my agenda. Must be mad.
It look like me if I go take up this bartending work more serious and do it part-time.
You don't have to do that. You can be my personal assistant. Yo, it's a girl like you more up on my agenda, you know.
Sure, but every man is the same.
So you're going to take every man fat and fry me?
It's too fatherless picnic I have, you know.
I'm not for them, man. A man like me you want. The man don't know real man.
Same, so the last one did say, and him not even wait to see the baby's face.
Listen, you're a struggling girl. Cheba is the man for you.
You're doing enough already.
More for the more. Yes. A whole heap more.
We need to tell Shebada the pipe in the female bathroom is dripping. So Trevor, where we stand?
Oh, you mean the business, yeah?
Yeah.
All right. We'll have a big show come this weekend. Right now, I want a whole box.
What do you think?
So it can't wait till another week?
Another week?
Yeah.
Hold on. No, just me. Not just me.
Yes, but...
How we must pass one whole box of liquor? You, when Shebada stand up in the bar, what, we a magician?
Yo, it's a simple mathematics. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. You.
Me?
Yes. Yeah, listen. Bring Shebada attention to you.
No.
My girl, listen now.
You're going to make sure, say, you bring Shebada attention to the pipe we are leaking in the bathroom.
So how that I going to distract Shebada?
All me need is a small window. You pass the box to me. More go to that small window of the box. Just make sure so we're not a spy.
Me too.
Achieve my name. Pass the box.
Bless you.
Here you go. Here's the change. Thanks for shopping.
Dolores, cash these for me.
Okay.
10 rice, 5 flour, 3 corned beef, 3 carrot juice.
Okay.
That's it.
$2,365. Thank you.
Pay and make sure you get your receipt.
Here you go. Thanks for shopping.
Good. Everybody look nice this morning and working real hard.
And I want to tell you, everybody was early this morning too.
Wait. Them take a leaf out of Nkrumah book.
It's always a good reason why me come here late. I live in a volatile community.
You know that some company, if you're 1 minute late, them cut your pay?
I think you need to implement that kind of system here, Shebada.
So what if me come here early and leave late? How that part go?
You come and leave at your own risk.
And with that comment, Shebada, no disrespect, but I think management is a blood sucker.
No, I'm going to pardon you. You're calling me a vampire?
Anyway, you want to put it?
Look, time's very hard, you know, Shebada. And to prevent people from cutting corners, I think management can do much better, man. Time's too hard.
But don't worry. Everyone that come into power comes so them can do better. Where the better they?
Exactly.
That is not it. The persons who were there first, when they leave, the ones who come after, always blame it on the ones who were there first, stating that at them mash up the thing.
I think we need a good leader. You know, like a Castro.
I wonder why you like Castro so much. Eh? You and him are the same thing when you come like dinosaurs.
Like it or not, Shebada, I think he was a good leader. Him stand up for principle.
Look here, it look like Shebada turned in a Castro now.
No, that is not the point. Don't say that. That's not it. It's just that Miss Alice leave me in charge. And when she return, I have to have a good legacy.
You know what I think? This place need, like the country, some good politician.
You mean good cabinet makers?
Is the Prime Minister make the cabinet?
The Prime Minister? Them never make no cabinet. They make break front.
I have to give it to you. That's a good one.
We never see a well-busted lady before.
All the time.
We never see her with very tiny legs.
That one don't look half balanced to me.
Good. The government is very top heavy.
But seriously, Shebada, something has to give. It's hard.
I understand. I know you cry. And I hear it. You understand? But sometimes what you put in is what you get out.
It is right.
That is what I'm saying. Friend and business not mixed. You understand me? So, bear with me, please.
All me have to say, them can do better. And to prevent people from cutting corners, them really need to give away money, man.
Dolores, from all me hear you talking about cutting corners. Mine, you know.
I wonder if it's conscience speaking. But you know, some people just too greedy and crave a choke puppy.
Look, I have a call to make.
Shebada, what you doing?
Excuse me?
I ask you, why are they? Your check stack in the middle of the month?
I beg your pardon. Me never know something for wait until month end for complete my duties.
It's just that it's strange.
You're dealing with a strange person.
Me never say you strange, you know. Just that it looks strange that your tech stack in the middle of the month. Me never say you do it yet.
The only way it would look strange unless you have something hiding.
Me? Have something to hide? Excuse me.
Where you going?
Bathroom.
Why every time you come inside the bar you find it convenient to use the bathroom?
So what? Me not entitled to use the bathroom.
Don't bring your attitude to me today.
Attitude? Excuse me.
Me I'm putting another one inside here, so.
Hello?
Dolores, this is it.
Letitia?
Dolores, we go cook.
What is it?
Shebada checking stock.
Who Shebada for check stock?
No matter. Dolores will in the middle of the month or not Shebada check stock. If you get a Shebada in charge.
No, me no mean it like that, but I'm not mountain yet.
It no matter Dolores him a check stock. It look like him dopey take him.
Oh, hold on, me a call about the phone a ring here. Shebada,
What is it?
there's a phone call for you.
Shebada speaking, good afternoon. Aunt Alice? Aunt Alice, don't tell me that you're coming home. Oh, good. We're praying for you. What news is good news now? Yes, yes. And the government moved the economy from JDX to NDX. No, the name. Yes, Aunt Alice, I understand. Okay, Aunt Alice, hold the line for me, please. I'm going to take the call in the office. Aye. Nobody go on line 1. And I said nobody. And I mean it. What is it?
Shebada.
Me listening.
But you're not looking at me.
And I'm eye, me listen with my ears.
Look, I need your undivided attention.
You have it come the right here beside you. I know what is coming in.
So you're a mind reader.
No, but I can read your one.
So tell me what is on my mind.
How you gonna pay your rent?
You know me delinquent.
Long time.
I know why I'm a delinquent.
Cause you can't pay your hairdresser.
Shebada, don't go there.
Why?
You know how much customer I bring to my hairdresser. And every time I bring customer, she give me discount.
So why you can't bring that amount of client right here sitting at the bar so me can give you discount? Eh? Look at the government. We will not cover about hairdressing and ear this and ear that. Eh? You ever check some politician yet? We a bank straight through all export it. Look at the first lady of America. She banging. Why you can't go bang? Cut back one cost.
I can't wear bang. You know say a bang around you put me now. All this gonna benefit me.
You can't pay your rent if you start wearing bang and stop hide from your landlord. You can't pay hide and seek with me. You must pick me.
Shebada, you can't do this stuff later.
Why?
Because the hours long.
So why you never said that to me when I'm your employer? Are the hours you worry about are the pay? Talk to me, Latisha. Because reason. Adult to adult. Bang to skull. Talk to me. Yeah.
At the pay, sir.
So why you never said that to me when I'm your interview you?
That is why you're saying it now, sir.
I'm your panacea.
Shebada, go on like say I deserve nothing good. Every customer when me bring to this business, it's all because of me.
I'm looking at the list here. And something's just not adding up. There's a wide gap right here, so.
Gap?
Latisha.
Yes, sir.
You self-pay yourself. You're coming to me asking about your raise. I am responsible for everything around here. You understand me? The business is supposed to balance, and it's not balancing. But yet you're asking me about your raise. What is wrong with it now, Latisha? You think me an idiot?
Shebada, we're talking about how I can improve myself, and you're going to something else?
How can you improve yourself? You know, I want to know how some people are improve themselves. Because what I'm seeing here is that something's just not adding up. Look at it, Latisha.
Shebada is not what you're thinking.
What am I thinking?
Because me look so good, you think I'm a thief?
Are you? Because from your coming at things I'm missing. Stock short. So tell me.
Letitia! Sorry, we never know that you guys were busy.
How are you check off yet?
Yes, sir. Give it to Delbert.
How much time if I tell you? When my day work, what you have to do?
That if you're not here, I'm supposed to give it to Delbert.
Right, but since I'm here, where the money there?
Me never see you, sir. A time for me go home, me not get paid for overtime.
You know what I notice with Uno? As the clock strikes 6 p.m., Uno want to rush out here. But a morning time, Uno just a walls come in like Uno a ballet dancer. You know what? Make me go secure my money, but me go tell Uno this. Shape up! Because Uno go ship out.
Something not right. You find out.
You in a trouble?
To where me no eat.
Give me a credit.
No, we don't have none.
I want to call Trevor.
Dolores, the money or the liquor?
You're acting as if I'm me alone. It's me and you and this no Letitia.
How I must tell Shebada, Dolores. I can't afford to lose my work.
Me go beg Hyacinth to come. Soon come back.
That is why I like them bad door thing here, you know.
So you're acting up like that?
Acting up, and that's you call it? Acting up? Maybe not get my money and you will see. Yo.
Stop! Man never heart attack, you know.
There's the cash pan my bring come.
Are you fasting yourself on the computer?
I'm just looking.
These things are not for you now, Miss Alice. Dinosaurs are extinct.
You know you always a try to put me down. I mean, I know what I do you. But I saw it go still. As I say, I had a cash pan I bring up.
So you're on courier service now?
No, but Dolores give to me.
Dolores what?
Dolores asked me
You check it?
No.
So anything you get, you take?
What do you mean by that?
Come.
Oh, Delbert. Me see you give sir the cash pan.
So what you do expect me to run away with it?
Something wrong, Dolores?
No, nothing, sir. It's alright. Tomorrow.
How we really are going?
God is ruling.
But any crew may working hard of late, man.
Him really focused for you know. Cause from with him hardly talk to anybody.
And crew man.
More for focus we say.
So when you're getting baptized?
So Sunday.
That's good, that's good. It's really nice to see young people doing the right thing. This country would be so much better.
Just maintain the focus. Even though you have a lot of distractions out there like one who just gone, just maintain it.
His grace. Me believe and grace we can carry me through.
Amen, brother, amen.
I have a lot of worrying to do, you know. As simple as you see me here.
But the Lord say, cast your burdens on him and he will carry you through.
Amen.
It's easier said than done.
Faith, sister. Faith.
Dolores, I'm outside and wait on you.
Letitia just call no man a coming.
Coming? Try tell Shebada that. Oh.
Sometimes I wish I could just change some things, you know, man. If only I could born again, you know, believe me.
Then what's the stop it from born again? He's free now.
But Dolores, of late it look like you're fretting. Something wrong?
Me stress, man. 2 fatherless pitney and not one help. Not one!
Have faith, sister.
Letitia, just be patient, no man.
You think a patient can put by the liquor in the shelf? So why you behave so? Why you behave like you never get nothing out of it?
That's why I don't like make certain people do not need no man.
Yo, so I must sit down and look like a thief in the eyes of Shebada.
Just cool.
Just cool? Just cool? Just cool you call it? Eh? Me not pay for nothing out of my pay for you.
What is going on?
Everything cool.
How everything for cool when the money is left exposed? And the whole are look insane. What is going on here?
That is why I'm not like none for people, you know.
Letitia, you can't help nobody because you want to help yourself. You pay the landlord yet?
Shebada, you see what is joke to you is dead to me. Because my pay not even enough already, and me not make none come out of my pay for nobody.
Talking about pay, I've noticed that I find $10,000 unaccounted for. Yes, from your stock. How you work that out? I know you couldn't answer that. The whole of that dishonest sorcerers.
Thanks. Count it. So what, you think some of your teeth?
Me never said that, but I just want to make sure say two we have the same figure.
Yeah, $10,000. Whichever compare you.
Don't worry yourself. I have it all figured out.
Yeah? I don't understand. Just a while ago, I asked her, and she couldn't come up with the money. Just out of the blue, she come up with money, so. But in any case, that is not my problem. Her problem, that. We just have to go find a way to explain this to Shebada.
Delbert,
Yes, Dolores.
give this to Shebada for me now, please.
What?
Everything in it, man. Everything in it.
Dolores, Shebada up in my office.
Delbert, as colleagues, we're free to ask each other for help, you know, without feeling restricted. Just like when you asked me to trust a few items until you get paid. Remember?
Dolores, then you have to bring that up. That is a low blow, you know. You know, that's why you're not good for us. Nigga for do nothing for you.
All right, Indian. Nobody soon will have to ask you for help again.
Yeah, man, I want to discuss this further. Cool. Yeah, all right, make it a call. We'll contact us later, here. All right, cool. Delirious. Where are you on my phone for, man? Listen, now, whenever you play my game, you're coming back here. You have to make me fool. Hey, girl, love me, man.
Dolores, come. How is you? What you doing with the cash pan? Jesus, what you doing with the cash pan? Jesus, no. Shh. Take your time. Slowly.
Please, nobody quarrel.
Me not quarrel, me just ask you a simple question. What you do with the cash pan?
Is Dolores gave it to me?
So wait, nobody inside here follow my instructions anymore? The whole I want to find it very savoring and convenient to define my directives?
You know that's that I never want to come in here. As sure as God met Moses Shebada, me trying to avoid you because your mouth no license.
And I thank God the government not tax vocabulary yet. Talking this and talking that. You know how much money inside there?
No, you know.
Says your word against hers.
Shebada, what exactly are you driving at?
I am not the one around the steering wheel. You are. I'm just behind you, so I'm the passenger.
Me have to ask because it sounds like you're accusing me of something.
Wait, so everything with me, so me just simply ask you a question. And because you're guilty, you talk about say, I am accusing you?
Look, Shebada, it's long time me working here. I'm a big old...
Stop that. There's a saying that says, there's no fool like an old fool.
With age come wisdom, in case you don't know a youngster.
But it look like you don't get a day wiser. Mr. Delbert, you can't see the possibly dangerous repercussions for your actions. However, I want things to be done in order, not chaka.
So what's so wrong if Dolores give me the cash pan to give it to you?
You'll soon find out. Mr. Delbert, it's the second time I warn you. Stop collecting people's pan. One day you're going to find yourself behind a rail and collect peel. You're going to lay down some rules inside here now. I say anyone who go against it, who not going to see the danger.
You know what? I go in my yard.
You're right. Go in your yard, you're foul. Go and make them scratch you.
May I call him?
It's one this woman, man. When I play hard, we are playing harder.
In a real life?
No, let me
Well, I'm really disappointed in a Trevor, you know.
No, man, let me try call him.
Use my phone.
I have credit, it's alright.
Trevor? Mm-hmm. So all you answer she and you not answer me. I don't understand. What?
Yo, Delbert, look now. It's ready to talk my talk. You come back here.
What you mean?
Just like me say, when you ready to talk my talk, come back.
Alright. Hello?
Tell you, you know, someone tell you. So what I'm saying?
I look something.
But the suspect says something in a something.
That's the least of my trouble. Me only want ensure Shebada get him money before him check off.
Trevor knows that this serious and look how him a behave.
A true man. If him a help you out, him not have to put a price on it.
Me tell you something. You see how when some people have, them still want. So you stay there watch that.
Shebada go send me home, I know, you know. Them a thing I can't take, you know.
What's you?
Is Delbert that? Delbert! Come here.
So urgent. Is Miss Alice?
Miss Alice already spashed them.
I think it was Miss Alice you have on the phone, you know, and she want to talk to me because I was saying to myself, finally.
Finally, my word come true.
With what?
How much money you collect from Dolores?
Shebada, me never tell you, so me not check it.
Well, the money short.
What? How much?
$10,000.
You must be joking, Shebada.
You think I'm joking? It is $10,000 short.
So what you going to do?
What? What I'm going to do? What you going to do?
Me? Or me getting it?
That is not what you have to worry about. It's how you're going to get out tight.
But is Dolores give it to me?
And you never sing and check it with her? Una love by pussy in her back too much. Let me tell you this. Me not gonna make none of them set me up.
Shebada, stop your foolishness. Give me one good reason why I would have to set you up.
I cannot tell you one. I can tell you 1,000,000.
Shebada, you sure you count the money, right?
You say if you are done, let me tell you this. Me and a none. You hear that? You better call Dolores because one of them will get arrested for thievery.
No, man. Well, that's Dolores.
Shebada, Delbert tell me say you want me.
You come park, you come in the man right yourself. Watch your tone with me, young lady. The money short, $10,000.
How come?
You're asking me?
You sure you check it right?
Don't question my integrity. I don't have time to waste, Dolores. I don't have time to waste.
I sure I give Delbert all the money.
How does he me die in trial now?
Mr. Delbert, I did warn you.
Yes, Shebada, but
Hello, let me talk. I always tell you, it's not 1 or 2 times. Whenever time you're collecting money from people, make sure there's a meeting of the mind in regards to the amount.
But me bring the money straight to you.
Oh, so what you're saying, is me take the money?
I am sure I give Delbert all of the money.
And I sure I bring it straight to you.
You finish? Can I go?
Dolores, hold your bricks.
Sit down!
Mr. Delbert. Mr. Delbert. Might me have to run you out the next time, you know? How much money was in the cash pan?
I'm not sure. I asked Hyacinth to do something for me. I don't want to keep her waiting.
Dolores, hold your brakes. A vehicle without brake is prone to crash. How much money was in the cash pan? Guess, man, you can't so clueless.
Me can't guess Shebada.
But how will I be able to?
Mr. Delbert. If I'd said 10, 20, 50, you wouldn't even know. The cashier wouldn't even know.
Me just can't guess.
What is really going on? Well, somebody's going to jail. And it's certainly not me.
Call the police, cause I don't have nothing for hide.
Give it to Letitia.
Wait, I fear.
Mr. Delbert. What you say? So you and Letitia is in cahoots to defraud?
You sister, me never have nothing to do with it, Shebada.
Mr. Delbert, I know you did not mess up your redundancy money, so you were never a suspect.
I can explain.
I was expecting that. It's just like the bird telling me that it can fly. But in your case, it's different. You're an ostrich. You only have wings and feathers, but you can't fly.
And explain, say what? Say you buy Robins? You know what? I go and go call you Letitia now too.
Yes, make yourself useful. You have the right to remain silent until Letitia starts speaking.
Yes, sir. Sir, me have customer in the bar wait for me, sir. It's urgent. Hour.
What are we, your verbose?
Sir, from me coming, me never come to the office yet, sir.
Mr. Delbert, cover the bar for me.
But I want to hear.
Yeah, jackass ears, you will hear. Letitia?
Yes, sir.
When you're working in the bar, what do you do?
Sir, I fear you go fire me, sir. Sir, nobody can do bar work like me, you know.
Tell me when you're going to answer the question if it's today or tomorrow.
Wait a second, sir.
When you're selling the bar, what you do?
Oh! Me sell, me entertain, me serve the customer them. Sir, nobody know bar work like me, you know.
You're selling anything else in the bar?
No, sir. No, sir. When me sell, me loggy money.
Logging is right. It is easier for who is doing the logging like you and who is doing the checking like me.
Yes, sir.
The logging off in add up. It shot $10,000.
Oh, then that means to say that money they are mine.
Letitia, me tell him.
That was who you for tell him. That was a you me did a help. Sir, me did a help her out.
And no, nobody not talk to me. How the money shot from the storm, the exact amount over in the bar.
Sir, it's one company. We can take it out of the part where long and put you over the part where short.
Are you serious? What about the stock?
Which stock?
But Letitia, remember your stock will come over in short, you know. Remember says Trevor still open for him stock. And him no pay up yet.
But sorry, if Trevor did just come in with fee money, then we wouldn't short.
We did give Trevor some liquor for sale. But we didn't go stop, you know. We didn't go stop.
It's not your business. It is not your goods for you to give it away.
Sir, we didn't go stop, you know, when him come up, but we did stop and then we start again.
So what if Trevor did show up?
We didn't go stop, you know, sir.
You know what? I can't understand only for rob from the company. We provide employment for you. Have a good mind, call the police and arrest the whole of them.
No, sir, please.
Too fatherless speaking to me having no, sir. I mean, I have no subject. Do have mercy.
Mercy? I look like a preacher to you? Get out! I'm coming like drunk or babies.
Look how I find myself in a big fraudy when I don't know nothing about.
Greed. Them have needs. But them have more greed than needs.
Basket too high, man.
You can imagine if me never have my head by my body, or the whole world would have reap where them not sow.
Where you going to do with them?
Why? Mr. Delbert, me have a sleep on it.
Sleep on? Shebada, this don't deserve no shut your eye over. If this was a football game, a straight red card.
But Mr. Delbert, it's not a game.
You hear that? Them a come beg pardon now.
Come.
Me can talk to your boss.
What hurting you? Not time like this.
But boss, you must forgive and forget.
What?
What you talking about, Nkoma? What you say?
You must forgive.
Stop, man, you're not serious.
Is who appoint you as liar?
The Bible say you must forgive 70 times 7.
Them two scoundrel try to misappropriate funds. In other words, I'm being too nice, Mr. Delbert. Them two thief there.
So, Mr. Shebada, thief!
When Jesus, the death on the cross, the dying for you and me. Who did it beside you?
Me know that one there. Me dance that. You can't trick me. No, two thief.
And don't him forgive them?
One of them. One.
Boss, don't play God. Learn forgive.
Nkoma, you're confused. Just in any event, they might do it again. Me I put on my foot. Right, Mr. Delbert?
Some people you just can't tame.
Thank you, boss.
Boss, you in charge. You put things in place whenever you like and wherever you like. Jesus forgive. What about you?
Nkoma, don't try to let me feel guilty. Don't. It's 1 week now you get saved. And you come preach to me? Get out. Fall in the angel. Get out! Mr. Delbert, you think God has seen me?
I wonder if I didn't put him up to it.
I won't keep you guys long. I'm happy that you guys took the time out to come in early for this meeting. I'm not particularly happy with what transpired. However, Nkoma ministered to me and I am inspired.
Hallelujah.
Now push your luck, Nkoma.
Shebada, man.
I have found it in my heart to forgive. The letter you guys have in your hand, it's a memorandum of understanding. I have designed a disciplinary plan to determine the punitive actions to be taken against offenders. First offense, a verbal warning. Second, a written one. You each have a copy of the form on the back of your memos. A third offense will warrant your termination letter. You're out. Fair enough. All your warnings will be put on file. And I'll have you guys sign them and return them to me, and I'll copy them and give them back to you. Any questions?
Thanks, Shebada.
And I have Nkoma to thank. Now, if you guys don't have any questions, you all can get back to work. Mr. Delbert, I'll have you open the storeroom.
No problem.
And another thing before you guys leave. You know that we're relocating.
Where? Where are we going?
Where we going, Sam?
Listen, I don't know the location yet. But not all of you will make it to the new location. When we relocate, it can be good, it can be bad.
True.
And since we're moving by truck,
Truck. Yeah.
people will see it and say, hog and goat.
Yeah, them say I can go for real.
And I will take the goat, but I cannot manage the hog. It is hard, it can be good, and it can be bad. And sometimes when we let go some people, you make it in life. Latisha, keep the dream alive, don't let it die. But as a hog, I think you need to wash off. That is all for today, people. Thank you for your listening. Thank you for your time. Aunt Alice Wholesale and Joint, or may I help? Yes, this is Shebada speaking.
Hello, Shebada.
Aunt Alice?
You're in early, man. I was wondering if I could get anyone there so early.
Something urgent came up, Aunt Alice?
You know, I had a dream last night. You were in a barrel of crabs, but none of them could pinch you. All they tried.
But that not sound good, Aunt Alice.
You got out unhurt. I am just wondering if everything is all right down there.
Shebada in charge.
Shebada, people will always be people. Try and be a step ahead and you will be all right. Always remember that ambition is the gas of life, but never forget the brakes of self-control.
Thank you very much, Aunt Alice.
You're always welcome. Bye.
Who missing? So wait, nobody hear me attack. On the deaf. Delbert, who missing?
So wait a little bit. You just see me?
I beg your pardon.
But you just walk in here like me catch your yard.
Catch a my yard, Delbert? If you dey catch a can't catch a my yard, come in have no space.
Boss, you're forgetting something?
What you talk about?
Your manners.
Oh, so that getting upset. 2 minutes in the morning. Well, all right. Good morning. Good morning. Wanna feel better now? Wanna gain weight?
No, we not feel better.
So what is the problem?
Boss, you don't mean it.
Then it's all you so vocal. To your giant church?
Well, any thing we giant pop. Me I let my light shine.
Well, dim your light is too bright for my liking.
Boss, you pray this morning?
But me not understand. If me not pray this morning, or if me pray, how it affect uno? At that moment, how it affect you?
Well, when you on edge, everything just edgy.
Hyacinth, at the second time from week you late. The second time.
Morning, Shebada.
Me and my friend in the past now, but this time I'm your boss.
Shebada, I never tell us I'm not late. Just before I leave yesterday, I tell us I have some pressing.
Hello, take out the attitude out of your tone when you talk to me. Hyacinth, get in character. Delbert, like how you're old McDonald, you deal with that again for me.
How we are called Ago?
Choo! Stress!
You see, if him have stress, me worse. So I'm trying to come through it for me. How?
Alice Wholesale and Giant look like it has stressed him out. He did one place to run. Now the place look like it a running mad.
Well, you know, I noticed Shebada look like him turning into a demon.
No, man. Something wrong with him this morning. Something deep on his mind, man.
Well, it's certainly not me.
Me did know, the more the monkey climb, the more him exposed. Shebada, 2 colors coming out now.
Him cool man. Just one of them days.
One of them days now. Power change people. Look for them politicians, eh? When them want to no vote for them. And as soon as them win, then change like green lizard.
Mr. Delbert, don't talk about power. run all with fire like.
You see, when people stand up for what is right, you don't like them, but I don't care what none of them want to say.
So Delbert, stop from going. So you're going like you perfect.
But Dolores, Delbert don't have bad days sometimes. Delbert have bad days all the time. As a matter of fact, him look like him have a bad life.
yeah. The one I don't care out.
What kind of cross is this I take up on myself though? I come here to make money for further my education. And come like say I can't get time for go back to school. It's like me have money for waste. So how me I go on? I should have received the Order of Jamaica and the graduation certificate for the way I'm running this business. Why? I'm more than qualified with this experience here. I'm more than qualified than any of the teachers that are about to teach me. You may not make it mad me now. I go and put on my foot. Watch me and them. Dealing with my face, I can't use the regular phone like my cover girl and L'Oreal and them something. You have to use cement.